Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabeel Ahmed and I am one of the interns of Pakistan. As a final project, we were asked to create a WordPress site. We were given three options and I have chosen to create an e-commerce store. I'm already a WordPress developer, and I have created recently a blog site. So this time around, I wanted to be a little bit more challenging, so I opt to create a multi-vendor e-commerce store. Now, what's a multi-vendor e-commerce store? A multi-vendor e-commerce store is essentially a store which allows different vendors to sign up, register, and add their shops online and add their products, and customers can buy it from the shops. And as an administrator of this site, I will get commission from it. So you can see this is a customized login page which I have created for my e-store. Now let's log in. I've also customized my WordPress dashboard to make it easy for me to work around here. Now first, we look at the front end as how it is developed and how it looks like. So you can see the custom colors I've used to make it more appealing for customer as well as for the vendors. Now let's just dive directly into the core feature of this website, that is creation of a vendor account and a customer account. So from my account, I'll go to the account page. I'll walk through each and every step for one of the test accounts. Let's log out from my account. Okay, so here it is. We can register as a customer or a vendor. Now let's make an account, test1234@gmail.com. Now we have to choose a strong password, otherwise it will not let us register. There's a strong security here. So let's make it the string at 123#. I'm a vendor. Let's make it with my own name so it's easy for me to refer. Now what I can name, I've already created two shops here. Now let's name Cardi. It will automatically add at the shop URL. Let's add a dummy number and register. So since it's on localhost, it will give a message that please check your email, but since I am the admin, I can approve any account. So let's do that. I'll log into my site and I'll go to this here and vendors. Here I will see a new vendor being registered. So here it is, Khadi. I'll approve him as vendor. Here you go, he is now approved. Now I'll go back to the accounts, logged in, test1234. If I'm not wrong, let's confirm it. Test 1234, I think that's what it is. Test1234@gmail.com. Our password was log in. Let's see what happens. If everything is fine, it will redirect me to the dashboard, and let's go to the vendor dashboard. So here you can see it's vendor dashboard. It's so beautiful because of the plugin I've used. I'll tell you more about this later on when I'll tell you about the backend. So first let's see what features we've got here, what the vendors can do from here. Vendors can add products. Let's add a product, make it a camera. Sorry, let's add a product, DSLR. Let's upload an image. I've already uploaded one image. We'll use the same image again. Let's make it 12,000. We can also add a discounted price for it, make it 5,000. The product category is a camera. Product tags, we can add DSLR and camera to make it more searchable. We can also add a short description, which I will leave as blank right now, and create a product. So it is loading now, you can see, and the product has been successfully added. It's loading here. Here it is. Here you can see the big picture of this snapshot of the image of our Canon DSLR. It's pending for review because it's administration right to approve any product after it's being added by the vendor. Now let's go further on. Orders page. You can see the orders for when a customer will order this is the pre-made orders. So you can see there are order number, order tracking, all that stuff. It's status, customer, guest customer. It's all for tracking the customer and their orders. You can also add a coupon. For example, you want to give someone a discount on the coupon, you can just add a new coupon, call it whatever you want. Let's call it ETH coupon, ETH discount. You can add description, percentage, amount, 2.5, 20%, let's say. Select a product, let's add on a DSLR and create a coupon. So we have this coupon already exists, we can just change it ETH because I've already created one, and let's create a coupon. So we have created a successful coupon. I think there's one more thing we need to add. Specify any products here. I have to do that again. So here we go. Now you can see the coupon has been added. It's displaying here as ETH coupon. Now let's move on. Let's see the reports. Here you can see the added account section. Let's visit this page. What we have got here. We can change our name, password, and whatever we want to do. We can visit our store. This is how our store will look like. This is the view of our store. Pre-made some of the items. Store is closed for now. We can just go back on the dashboard. The review section. What the clients, what our buyers, customers has to say about our products. Return requests if there is any. And here is the setting page for a dashboard. Here you can add a banner for your store. Let's add one of the banner to make it look more appealing. It's a very exciting feature. I like it. See, it's opening. Give it a while. Let's select this image for a banner. Quick cropping. Let's name it Cardi. You can add our location, Pakistan, state Sindh, any dummy number. We can show our email if you want to. We can show our shop timings, open or close, and all that stuff. For now, I'll just leave it as default, and I'll update the settings. So you see your information has been saved successfully. I can also add a profile picture. Let's add my own profile picture. So it will be added as my profile image. It's just working, give it a while. So it's done. Now I'll update the settings again, and now let's visit the store now. See, it's so beautiful. Our store looks like so beautiful. Anyone can go and check out who is the person who is the owner of the store. The URL also shows very clearly the name of the store, the person, and we can follow the customers, or the other vendors can follow it. You can also follow yourself. You can see the items listed under the particular store. reviews section, and whole lot of stuff. Now let's go back and see what else we've got here. We've got, we can set the payment, how do we want the payment from a client, from customers. We can set our bank account number and all that stuff, which I'm not going to do right now. There's also shipping section where how do we want to ship our product through via road or via through custom port shipping. So that is how a vendor will sign up and make their own custom store. It's very exciting, right? Now let's go. Let's just explore the backend and the plugins I've used to make this beautiful multi-vendor store. As it is, you can see I've used the Dukan plugin for all these activities. You can see how Dukan helps me track each vendor. It's very beautiful plugin. It's very good, and it basically provides everything you need as an administrator. You can see when awaiting for approval, it gives you all the dashboard summary of your store, multi-vendor store. You can have the graph insights. there is a lot thing which I will not be able to discuss right now. You can also see the reports. The theme I've used is basically a marketer theme, which I've customized it a bit to make it look more personalized. You can see the product withdrawals. I've also make use of WooCommerce site for tracking of orders and customer creation of customers. So a lot of things going behind the scenes of this big multi-vendor store, which we need to take care of. Beside this, you can see the About Us page here, where I've created About Us page. This is how it looks like, my team members, and here is a newsletter where a person can send and can submit it. You can also look at the contact. If any vendor or any customer has any issues with the store, they can just get in touch with us. There's also categories products section where there are different products being displayed. Let's look at some products. Here it is, laptop, mobile. There's diverse category of the products. 3D glasses. You can, as a customer, you can add any product you want to the cart. Let's try one of the products. Let's go to home page, and now let's see how one will buy any product. Here it is. Let's say you want to buy this product. Let's buy this quote unit headset. It's loading. Here it is. We can select the number of items we need for this. Let's add to the cart. You will see that it will, as we do so, there will be a counter increase in here. See, it's added to the cart successfully, and you can see the cart here. And let's add another 2 more products. It's loading. Let it load. You can also report if there is something wrong. Now let's view the cart items, how the cart page looks like. You can also see how many vendors are currently there on your store. You can also add coupon from here, and this shows the address of the type of product, and you can just proceed to checkout, which will ask the customer for their address to be shipped and all that stuff. So this is how it looks like, and you can cash on delivery. I've kept right now just 2 options, cash on delivery and bank transfer. There are also more options like PayPal and Stripe, which can be integrated in this website, which I've left for now. Now I was showing you the store listing. You can see these 2 stores I've created. You can see this. You can also rate the stores. Scepter, these are all the stores I've created for testing. You can follow any of the store you want. just like this. So it's a very beautiful site. I think it's very very useful in this world. Now let's give a more thorough check on our backend. The plugins I've used are like WooCommerce and Marketo and all the recommended plugins which the theme and all the stuff requires. I've already shown you how I've customized all the things. I think that's pretty much it. You can see now this site looks. You can also favorite any item. You can also add any promotion card like this. I've added, for example, this. There's a lot more which we can do from this site, but I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.